a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance?
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Meli. The name of my channel is Meli Love Decor. Guys, we are back with another video today. Today we are going to be cleaning and styling and decorating my patio for the summer season. My birthday and my husband's birthday is coming up in a few weeks, so I'm just kind of cleaning the patio in case we decide to just have a little hangout in the backyard, on the patio around the pool area, and invite some friends over. So I'm just kind of like cleaning it so that I don't have to do that if we do decide to do something close to the date. If you are new to this channel, guys, and you like what you see today, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. For all my returning subscribers, thank you for all your love and support. Don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, show your love and support. Your girl is still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Alright guys, right now as you can see, I am spray painting some, I don't know, outdoor lanterns. They've been sitting outside and they kind of got a little bit rusty, and they were in the color gold, so I decided to spray paint them black, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm spray painting them, just giving them a coat of spray paint so that they can look nice and fresh, and I'll be styling it on the patio, and you will see that later. In this clip, guys, I'm just trying to clean up the sectional, the outdoor sectional. I'm removing all the cushion, and I'm gonna give it a good clean and remove all the webs and all the dust and just get it nice and clean for the summer season. Guys, it was absolutely hot outside. I live in Florida, and the sun, oh my god, my clothes were soaking wet from being outside and doing this cleaning. Right now what I'm doing, guys, I'm putting zip ties in between the chairs so that they could be, so I can hold them together so they don't move. I'm just kind of like putting the pieces to attach the pieces and keep them together. I'm just putting zip tie to hold them in place together. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I hope to motivate someone today to get out there, get your cleaning done, and get your summer going and clean your outdoor space, guys. As I've always said, your home is your peace and your happy place. Style it and decorate it to your liking, guys. Your home is your comfort. So I hope that I motivate someone today. I'm not an interior designer, as I've always said. This is something that I enjoy doing. I enjoy decorating my home. I enjoy styling it. It's a hobby for me. So I just hope that I motivate someone today to get on their summer cleaning. I'm back, guys. Now we are in the fun part. We are gonna be starting with the styling of the patio and just decorating it with some beautiful pieces. So that's the fun part. Guys, I picked up this beautiful floral arrangement from Marshall's. It was on clearance for like $19, and I think the regular price was like $50. I just love that piece. It is so beautiful. I picked up this candle last year at Aldi's. I think like when summer season ended, I paid for like $5 for it at the end of the season. And on this little corner table, I'm adding this green ball that I also picked up on clearance at Marshall's for like $9. And I just added it to my little planter. And I'm adding this little floral arrangement at the bottom, this greenery at the bottom of the table with this lantern next to it. Guys, I don't know if you can tell. I'm sorry, I didn't get to show you what I did with the black lantern that I spray painted. You will see on the corner that I added a tree in there. I can't remember what you call that tree over there, palm leaves or whatever. I added those trees, that palm leaf inside one of those lanterns, and the taller one, I added a candle inside of it. I forgot to show you guys the clip of when I was styling that. Guys, now this is just for decorating purposes. I'm gonna be doing a little small tablescape on my outdoor table. We don't use that table that often. We just usually sit on the sectional and watch TV. So I'm just styling it just for decoration purposes. And if we do end up having to use the table, all we have to do is just move the plates aside or just rinse them out and use them. So, but I did pick up those table mats. Guys, Hobby Lobby is having a wonderful sale. They have all the spring items 66% off. So I did pick up those table mat at Hobby Lobby, and I think I paid like $2 for them, or maybe $1 and change. I can't remember, but I think it was no more than $2 that I paid for them. I also picked up those white chargers from Hobby Lobby, and I think they were like $1 and change for them as well. And those beautiful plates comes in a set of 4. I believe I paid $5 and change because the regular price was $14.99. With the 66% off, I paid like $5.80 or something for the 4 plates.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. Promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me
Hello guys, we have come to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this decorate and cleaning video with me, installing my patio for the summer. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to put your notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload a video. This is your girl Meli. Again, please don't forget to show your love and support. Your home is your peace and your happy place. Style it and decorate it to your liking. Until the next time.
too.